And now it is gameplay time.
We are downtown at Petco Park as MLB The Show gets you set for another edition of Major League Baseball.
Looks like I have something to do.
Johnny Peralta will stand in for the first time here.
I tried to get it from him. He said he didn't borrow it, remember?
Pitches a cold strike to throw. We'll move forward now to the bottom of inning number 2.
Oh, I have a good goal. Drive the line.
Number 50 will step in now. Number 50. Right down Broadway that time. Strike 1.
Got away with that one there, but he's going to continue to struggle if he keeps leaving pitches in the center of the plate.
Fastball that time is nowhere close, and it's even at 1-1.
You can see the replay now if I did indeed hit the ball. Right there. Smack. Boom. Then out to the outfield. There's the man coming and does not make it, as indeed the run does score.